So hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and here is an amazing recruitment opportunity from PNB itself. And if you fall into these categories, you can apply for it. So the registration started from 21st of April itself and will be closing on 5th of May. And there will be some online test if it is required on 27th of May. You'll be notified regarding it, do not worry. So the posts are civil engineer, electrical engineer and mechanical engineer officer. You can see the vacancies over here. Now here they are giving reservation to specific categories. You can just check out that also. Now what are the things? Eligibility criteria if you are from India, Nepal, Bhutan, and even if you are from Tibetan refugee who came to India before 1st of January 1962. Okay. And permanently settled in India. Then you can apply for it. You can just check out. I'll share the notification link in the description box. Now here they have mentioned the post. Now here what I found, first of all, you need to have a BE, BTech or civil engineering. Okay, BE, BTech in civil engineering from any recognized university. Okay, and you must be having at least 60% marks. Then only you'll be able to apply. Also, the minimum age criteria is 20 years and maximum age criteria is 30 years. And they are asking for work experience. So if you are a completely fresher, you cannot apply for this opportunity. Now coming over here to other roles also, all the things are same. You can see all the roles are same. All the things they have mentioned, that 60% criteria and the age limit, upper and lower age limit is also same. So you'll having a work experience requirement for this particular opportunity. Now here you can see the age relaxation they have given for ST and SC 5 years and OBC 3 years and PWD candidates 10 years. Okay, so you can just check out over here. Now let's come to the requirements. More requirements are there also. So here you can see the part means what will be there in the online test. So there will be two parts. One is reasoning, part one. In part one, reasoning, English language and quantitative aptitude. All of the reasoning and English language will have 25 questions, and the 25 question each set, and the quantitative aptitude will have 50 questions. So total marks is 50, 50, 100. Okay. So here you can see all the things they have clearly mentioned, and the maximum marks is 100 for category 2. Okay, means 25 25 marks are for this particular category. Okay, and 50 marks for quantitative aptitude, so total it will become 100. And in part 2 they have a special test, that is professional knowledge, that is of 50 marks, and 50 questions. 50 questions will be there, you'll be getting 100 marks. So I think here we are getting 1 mark for each question, and here we are getting 2 marks per question. Okay, and there will be 1/4 deduction. So 1/4 marks assigned to the question will be deducted if you are just made any wrong attempt. So all these things they have mentioned, you can just see. Now these are the cities, I think states. Okay, states and online center. It is an online exam. Now here you have to just fill the form. You have to, just like you fill any form, you have to upload your photograph, all the things. If you need any help, you can just reach out to me. So this is important opportunity. Take the benefit of it. Thank you. Goodbye.